Hello and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Peppa Pig, the Boat Pond? Peppa and George have brought their toy boats to race on the pond. George's boat has to be wound up. Click, click, The ducks come over to see Peppa and George.
Hello, ducks. May we use your pond to sail our boats?
Asks Peppa.
My boat doesn't wind up,
Says Peppa, looking for the winder on her boat.
Your boat doesn't need winding up, Peppa,
Says Mummy Pig.
It just needs a little help.
Says Daddy Pig, blowing Peppa's boat along. Here is Peppa's friend, Susie Sheep.
Squeak! Hello, everyone,
She cries.
I've got my speedboat. It has batteries to make it go. Ruff!
Here is Danny Dog with Grandad Dog.
My grandad made me this pedal boat. It's steam-powered,
Says Danny. Rebecca Rabbit arrives with her mummy.
I wish I had a boat,
She says.
I've got an idea,
Says Daddy Pig, picking up his newspaper.
When I was a little piggy, I used to fold newspaper to make paper boats,
Says Daddy Pig, handing a boat to Rebecca.
Squeak! Thank you, Mr. Pig,
Says Rebecca, placing her paper boat on the pond. Now George wants a paper boat too. Daddy Pig makes paper boats for everyone.
Let's race,
Says Mummy Pig.
Ready, steady, blow!
The boats speed across the pond.
We have a winner,
Says Daddy Pig.
That's George's boat.
Says Peppa.
George is the winner! Hooray!
Everybody cheers.
I like paper boats the best.
Cries Peppa.
Me too!
Cry all the children. It's time to go home now. Everybody has had a great day.
Bye-bye, ducks,
Says Peppa. The ducks enjoyed the toy boats, but they like having their pond back too. And that was Peppa Pig, the Boat Pond. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks.
Bye!